Hey guys, welcome to another DIY video. So in today's video we're going to be making orange cream. This cream is good for clearing wrinkles and stretch marks, so don't go anywhere, stay tuned. The first ingredient I'm going to be making use of is orange zest. The second ingredient is carrot. We're going to be making use of carrot. The third is Goya olive oil. And the fourth one here is cold pressed coconut oil, as you can see it here. And the last is bay leaves. So guys, let's get straight into the making. The reason we're making use of orange zest is because it helps to restore elasticity of the skin and eliminate wrinkles, and it is so good to improve cell regeneration. Okay. And we all know how good carrot is to the skin, that it helps to actually brighten up the skin, clear the skin, rejuvenate the skin, helps to smoothen wrinkles and repair damaged cells. So guys, my next ingredient here is this my freshly washed bay leaves. I'm going to be making use of 6 leaves. Bay leaves helps to slow down aging and promote skin rejuvenation. Like, it has substances in it that can actually help to do that. So yes, we're going to make use of bay leaves. And if you've watched this video up till now and you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, and give this video a thumbs up. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to add my coconut oil. Coconut oil is so good. It actually helps to boost production of collagen, encourages the rejuvenation of cells, and coconut oil is actually the safest remedy when it comes to clearing stretch marks and also help with your wrinkles. And the last ingredient we're going to be making use of is olive oil. That's this Goya olive oil. I'm going to be making use of olive oil because it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that would actually help to keep your skin, keep your face, that's your skin in general, looking young and healthy. Okay, so I added like 2 spoons of my Goya oil, 2 spoons or 3 spoons of my Goya oil. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to double boil it in this stainless bowl in my pot. So Initially I was planning to use this, but I'm not going to be using it again because it's actually a glass plate, so that the heat doesn't break it finally. So I'm going to be using this stainless bowl to double boil it. Okay, so guys, this is the result here. Like I said earlier, I wasn't going to use that white bowl to double boil it. So yes, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be turning it into our container. Here is a container I'm going to be using to pass out my oil. So yes, I'm going to be passing my oil with this cheesecloth. I'm going to be passing it with this cheesecloth because to me, like, it makes it easier for everything to actually come out easily. So yes, I'm not making use of of a sieve. I'm going to be making use of a cheesecloth. Okay. So guys, we've gotten our oil, so I'm going to put it in the fridge to actually cool a bit. The reason for putting it in the fridge is for it to be very easy to apply, but anyone you choose to do is better. So you would want to massage it, like apply it till it absorbs fully into your skin. Okay, so guys, that will be all for today's video. Like, thank you so much for joining me in for today's video. So this is our orange cream slash oil. So yeah, if you found this video really helpful, please like, subscribe and comment. Like, I want to know what you think about this video in the comment section. Bye.